So we've arrived and it's a boiling hot day. Here is the last of my place. I can't see what I'm looking at, though you probably can see me. I'm gonna go in. It's lovely and cool here. This is where we were bagging last time. Older son's room. There's a whole closet of stuff to get through in there. And then the main room. They really want to do all the work up here, I suppose, and up on the ceiling. Yeah, there's lots of things to get rid of. It sounds quite hollow in here. Nice clean fridge, shite on top, and the bedroom. Lots of bags in view, that's a good sign. Stuff still in shelves. And the bathroom. It'll be easy to empty that out, really, I know that. And the old bedroom. Let's shut off that light. And yeah, there's some bits and pieces there in the closet. My son, youngest boy, emptied out that one, so that's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna get started here. And then the last place is, I think I'm gonna sleep over here tonight. So, getting ready for that. Anybody want a step ladder? Good Nick. And then in this place, see, this is the closet into Narnia. So, some old binders there from training courses. An old shelf that I made, but I'm not going to keep. Baby fiddle. And that's where the other shelf was. That's it. That's all the rest of the stuff, really. Yeah. So, that's what I've got to wrap up and take care of today. So, God bless us and good luck.